Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing very well. First of all, welcome to this wonderful occasion where, with the use of technology, I'm just reaching out to you. And technology is really forcing to go there and learn something. So, this is the first time when I'm doing a Facebook Live. It gives me a great pleasure to invite all of you to this Titans family. Now, all of you who are joining very new, let me tell you that Titans is just a group of people, I would say crazy people, who just decided to help each and every person who is joining and taking up this business of QNet. So we are team who started in Bahrain long back. I would say about 18 years now. Recently we celebrated our anniversary. And yesterday I was talking to my grand upline, V partner Mahendra Kumar. And yesterday was the day when he has taken up this opportunity. So it's 20 long years association. Now this 20 long years association, I think there is no other way to celebrate rather than give you some extra cash. And that's the way where this idea of F2 challenge have come with our grand upline and the founder himself, V partner Arun George. He came up with this idea, immediately everyone accepted, all of you became very excited, and then you are all participating in this. And I'm very proud to see the excitement. I had like these Facebook live sessions starting from Lalit to Sushanta to Suresh, Gopi. Yesterday we had wonderful Maggie, James, Swarna, Asha, and you have many more to come. All I can say that we are blessed with such a leadership who is on the ground and taking over the world, taking over the planet. This is a wonderful time. Last 8 weeks, 9 weeks, whatever is there. Of course, the world is having something which they never felt in last 100 years. I want to say we have an opportunity which we never had in 100 years. This is a digital era of Titans. And this digital era, we need to go online all the time, reaching out to the prospects, reaching out to our own family members and asking them to come. Titans F2 challenge. What is this F2 is all about? F2, is it fun and fun? Or is it fun and frustration for you? If you are a very new person, I would say it is double fun. Why? Because you have QNet who is giving bonanza until tomorrow, which is Friday, and Titans is giving you a share of the pool of $2,500. So you have F2, fun and fun. Now those of you who are doing this business for quite some time and you are there like me, it is fun and frustration. Why? Because you know what it takes to do a direct again. So the question is, can you do one more direct? That's again the point. Can you do one more direct? Now let me tell you how to do it. And let me talk to also the new people how you can do double fun. Let's say example, okay, and I am a chef, so I'm going to talk to all of you from the language of the chef, okay, as if you are cooking something, so let's say example, you are cooking a wonderful dish and you are doing it for the first time, okay. So let's say example, if you are in southern part of India, or maybe you are in Sri Lanka, or in Middle East, we are cooking a dish which is including milk and sugar, and you have the nuts and little bit of rice, or this vermicelli. So you are cooking a sweet dish, and since you are doing it for the first time, you really don't know how much quantity to cook. And now you started cooking it very well. And when you cooked it, the taste came perfect. So lovely. Like some of your hearts which you are throwing right now. So it was lovely. And you felt so happy. You enjoyed it. So what are you going to do now? You will eat as much as you want. Now you still have so much remaining. You have this dish which is so much of remaining there. What are you going to do now? You will go to your brother, you will go to your sister, you will go to your close friend, and you will tell them, I have cooked a fantastic dish. It has come out very well. So nice. Why don't you have it some? I know it. It is good. Have it some. And that is the way you are going to bring your close people into our business. You are going to tell them, you know it, this is good, and come and be a part of it. And that's the way you are going to do your F2. Imagine, but when you cook the dish, you have eaten, and once you eat, you saw a small lizard on the side of this dish. It is not inside, it is on the side. Now you come back to the kitchen and you saw this small lizard is there, which is next to this dish which you have cooked. Now your mind starts working. Your mind is working and thinking, oh my God, this lizard fell into this milk. Does this lizard went in and then went out? Am I going to go do this? Am I going to taste this? Whom shall I give this? And you are thinking. And what is this lizard is? This lizard is your doubt. This lizard is your doubt which is creeping in your head and thinking, shall I do F2? Shall I not? Shall I do? Shall I not? Shall I do? Shall I not? And the moment you are thinking, the time is running away. The time is running away, it is going away. And you are missing an important opportunity. If you have that doubt, what are you going to do? You will call your watchman. Or you will call a cat. Or you will call a roadside dog. And you will tell, come, taste this dish. And you are going to observe. And you observe and thinking that, is something going to happen to this cat or dog or the driver or the watchman? And then you will decide whether to give it to your friends or close family members or not. But if the dish is good and you have absolutely no doubt about it, you have tasted it, then you are going to offer to your family members and friends, and you will tell them, I have done it, I have tasted it, it is good, Please have it. And my dear Titan warriors, our business is exactly like this. F2 is exactly like that. Your identification of two people, come on, don't tell me it is going to take so long. It is not. You know that they are there. They are there all around you, but you are thinking right now whether to bring them in or not to bring them in. You are just thinking that shall I go to them? How shall I go to them? Can I do it today? Can I do it now? Or let me do it after 2 days, after 3 days, after 1 week. And you are coming up with some kind of a logic that I want to talk to the roadside person. I want to talk to the person who is right now a watchman or a driver. I don't want to talk to who is my brother, who is my sister, who is my cousin. And this is the biggest challenge in our business. So if you thinking that F2 challenge has to work for you and it has to give you that kick, that network which you always wanted, then it starts with you. You got to think that have you signed up for the F2 already? Deep inside, have you signed up for F2? Are you convinced that you are going ahead with the F2? Are you talking to enough prospects about F2? Are you telling them, are you giving them that hope that $2,500 one share can be yours? Have you already started planning? Have you planned that if you are going to get a share, what are you going to get out of that? Where are you going to spend it? Because this is extra. You never thought about it. Now your appliance, your grand appliance, everybody have decided to give you this money. So when they decided to give you this money, where are you going to spend it? Because if you have a plan where you are going to spend it, then only the money is going to come. You know that. That is a age-old secret. If you know where your money is going to be spent, you will get the money for that. So F2 is not something which is a rocket science. Next 2 to 3 days, can you do 7 to 10 presentations of your own? How to find these people? You know it. You have the answer. You have the answer. Tell me whether you are convinced that you are going to do it or not. And if you are convinced, you will do it definitely. So this is not something this is the foundation. For new people, this is activation. And if you are not activated, how are you going to do the business? You have to be activated. Then only you are going to do the business, run the business. So activation is something which is very important. I did it. Manoj did it. Mr. Cherian did it. Arun did it. Everybody, whoever is in your AVP, VC, leadership, everyone has done it. I did my F2 within 1 week. I had to just go out and talk to my middle management in the hotel. And once I spoke to them, they wanted to buy the same product which I bought it. So the other way of doing the F2 is very simple, is you take the decision for them and they will do it. So this is not something which is like a big thing, but this is a part of the game which we are playing. This is a part of a big journey which we are going to take, and this is the small step which we are taking. So this, for new IR, this is the double fun. And for anybody who has spent more than 1 year, you gotta get over. You gotta get over and look for that new people, new prospects whom you can call and do the presentation. Now we had about 12 achievers so far in last 4 days. And we have today and tomorrow. So this is up to yesterday, we had about 12 achievers. We have about 1,000 plus people in our Facebook group. I am telling you, I am looking forward for a fantastic number from our Facebook group to achieve this F2 challenge target. This is possible. We have to just go global. So wherever you are, whichever part you are listening to this, you have to just make sure that you are going to do 7 to 10 presentations in next 3 to 4 days. Then you need to do a follow-up with a sense of urgency. Imagine if next 3 to 4 months, just imagine next 3 to 4 months, you are going to make 10,000 US dollars. If you are going to make 10,000 US dollars in next 3 to 4 months, who are the two people whom you are thinking they should make $5,000? Who are the two people? And if you thought about it and you can write about it, you have already achieved that. You have already achieved your find two. Let me ask you another question. Next 4 to 5 years time, if you are going to make $1 million, if next 4 to 5 years of time you are going to make $1 million, who are the two people whom you want to make $500,000? Write down those names, and these are the people who qualify to become your find two. That means your 2 direct referrals. In the middle of the night, your car is broken. In the middle of the night, your car is broken. Who are the people whom you are thinking that you should call? And they are the people you know they will be there for you. They will come. They will come and they will save you. Who are the people? Think about them. Write it down. That is your target for F2. Talk to them. Think about everyone who is close to you, whom you have a high degree of influence. And you wanted to do all the time something along with them. You wanted to start a business. You wanted to start a journey. You wanted to do some collaboration with such kind of people, but you never had an opportunity. This is the time for you to share this business with them. These are the people who should be the people whom you should be doing the presentation, and I can guarantee you they will be coming on board and they will be the direct referral for you. Now those are the people who have already achieved F2. You have already done it. It's time for you to go to the next share. The next share is nothing, is no different. You have to just do another 2 directs. How to do it? Same way, just follow the same process. And I am sure there are many people who have done only one so far. You have done only 1 direct so far. And since you have done 1 so far, you might be little relaxing. but I want you not to relax. Do your next direct tonight. Tonight. Today is Thursday. Do it today. Do it today so that you can do another 2 tomorrow. By tomorrow, I am thinking, can we get 30 qualifiers? 30 qualifiers from Titans. Can I get minimum 30 qualifiers by tomorrow, Friday, closing time? I know it is possible. You guys have done it. You guys have broken all the records so far, whatever we have created. So this is not different. This is, you are going to do it tomorrow. We want minimum 30 qualifiers for F2 challenge by tomorrow, Friday closing. It's possible. You can do it. It's not a difficult task. It's a decision. Let me repeat, it's a decision. You got to make that decision. Now you are going to take many decisions. You take many decisions, like Chief always says, you take many decisions. You decide whether I want to drink tea or coffee. You decide whether I want to eat pasta or rice. You decide whether I'm going to eat beans or vegetable or meat. You decide so many things. Forget about taking all those decisions. Decide first, I am going to do F2. I am going to do my Fine 2, and I want to make sure that my name is also there in this designed posters which our good friend Ramdas is posting. I want to be on the status page of my upliners, who is actually putting my picture in their status page, and their status is followed by so many people around the world. And they are watching me. I want to be there in my upline status page. Can I be there? You got to ask yourself. And if you decide that yes, I am going to be there, and that decision which you need to take, that's it. That decision which you take now, at this moment, now, not before, no future, now. Can you decide now? Can you take decision now? Yes or no? Can you take decision now? Yes. Yes. Can you do F2? Yes. Yes. Can you decide yes? Yes. Yes. You decide now. When you take this decision now that I want to do F2, by tomorrow, you will do it. You will do it. You will not sleep tonight. You will not sleep from here onwards till tomorrow, Friday closing, and you will make sure that you will achieve this. So this is something which you have to do it. I'm telling you, I'm putting you another condition. Let's say example, tonight if you don't do F2, don't eat from now onwards. Can you do that? If you don't do F2, don't eat anything up to you do a F2. Can you do that? Can you do that? You don't eat anything up to you do F2. Possible? I don't know. You need to say. Can you do that? So you can do that. You can do. You got to decide. You got to decide. You got to make sure that yes, I am going to do F2. It is not difficult. I have to just write down the 30 probables immediately. And these 30 probables, out of that, I need to select the first 8 people who are the best ones. And these 8, I have to sign them up. And if they are very far, you need to just tell them on phone, I know something, I have found a solution. Can you transfer this money, or are you ready with your credit card? I will tell you in detail later, but tonight, I have given a promise to somebody, I have taken a decision. I need to achieve a target. I want to complete a specific task. Can you give me your details and purchase this product? And your F2 is done. And what will happen once your F2 will done? You are now a powerful machine. You are like a lion who has been woken up. A lion who has never tasted the blood, but now you have tasted the blood. So there is no stopping for you. There is nobody who is going to stop you. There is no one who is going to say that stop. Even if I say stop, you are not going to stop. You are the lion. You are the titans. You are going to go all out. And you are going to roar. Somebody asked that when is the best time to close a sale? The answer is when you have just closed a sale. When is the best time to close a sale? When you have just closed a sale, that is the best time to close another sale. So if you have finished your F2, you are going to do another level of F2. And that is the power. And that is the power which you have. There will not be any looking back for you. There will not be any stopping for you. So let's start this journey. And this journey has to start with you. You have to take that lead. You have to lead from the front. You need to say that I am going to do it. Forget about the others. I am not looking into the others right now. I am going to do it. I am going to write down my list. I am going to call these people and arrange for the presentations, and then I will complete my F2. So after this, if you are inspired, or if you have taken that decision, then tell your upline, I am going to do it and I am going to get to this F2, and make sure that this happens. Make sure that this happens. Any challenge, and if you are able to get to that challenge and you achieve that, I can tell you that there will not be any stopping for you. Our business is not monitored by your uplines. Our business is not monitored by anybody else. Our business is monitored by you. When you are breaking one barrier, it is taking you to the next level where you are going to achieve one more level. So guys, this is the time. This is the time when you have to maximize. I have to maximize. We all have to maximize. We have 1,000 over people in the group. And I am telling you, 1,000 over people are excitedly watching each other. But I would say no looking into each other. Look into yourself and say, I am going to do it. I am going to do F2. And the moment you take that decision that I am going to do it, there is no stopping for you. You will achieve what you want. So we are Titans. We are the family. This is a brand new beginning for Titans. Titans F2 Challenge. Don't think as a challenge. Think this is a great beginning. This is a new beginning for you. This is a new beginning for you for next 5 years. This is a new beginning for you for next generation. And this is a new beginning for you to go to the financial freedom. So I am there in this journey with you. I am there. Your uplines are there. The company is there. Our founders, Dato Shri Vijay Ishwaran and Joseph Bismarck, who have laid this great foundation, a great vision whom they have given, they are there. Hang on in this journey. This is the new step, new beginning. Go to your F2. Find 2. Make it double fun. Fun and fun. By tomorrow, Friday closing, get your 2. You get money from QNet. You get money from Titans. I love you. Thank you very much. And all of you who have given so much of love and the heart sign, thank you very much. My love goes to you as well. Thank you.